So you want to become a better trader, but you're not sure how. Well, now is the time that you need to start figuring that out and take action to become that better trader that you want to be. What are you going to do this year to substantially improve your trading? At the end of the year, how do you want to feel about your progress? Who will you be as a trader? In this video, we're going to share 8 ideas from our trading desk in Midtown Manhattan for you to become a better trader this year. Hi, I'm Mike Bellafiore, Managing Partner of SMB Capital. We're a proprietary trading firm located in Midtown Manhattan. I'm also the author of the trading classic, One Good Trade, and the Playbook. Go ahead and click our subscribe button so you don't miss any of the trading videos that we're producing for the trading community. In this video, we're going to share 8 ideas from our prop desk in New York City for you to become a better trader this year. For those who want to learn how to substantially improve your trading, like we have at our firm, we hope this video helps. Hey, so if you want to learn 3 more real-world setups that our traders are using and use, including the simple setup that we teach all of our new traders and the setup that turned one of our traders into a 7-figure big money earner, check out the free webinar that we're currently running. Just go ahead and click the link that should be appearing right now at the top right-hand corner of your screen. That's going to open up the free registration page in a new window, so don't worry, you're not going to lose this video. Go ahead and check it out right now before you forget. You're going to learn more in a couple of hours from this trading workshop than from years of online education. The culture at SMB Capital is to improve daily, and that's true of the new guys all the way up to the 7-figure traders. I finished my 2nd book, The Playbook, with the quote, "You can be better tomorrow than you are today." This is also how I sign my emails. My favorite quote that I read this year was from the book Shoe Dog by Phil Knight, co-founder of Nike, "Grow or die." What leads people to improve their performance is of great interest to me. So in that spirit, here are some things, some ideas that work well for us, for me, in 2018 that you might consider to improve your trading game this year. Express your edge in multiple products. Our firm made more from options trading, though primarily an equities desk. Our floor manager noticed the edge our top traders had with options. He challenged them to do more options trading in 2018. 2 made over 1 million plus just in options trading, and that's on top of their equities trading, with another trader coming very close. Collaborate with other traders. I collaborated, coached, mentored traders outside the firm, stimulating their growth and mine. How did this all start? Well, Dr. Steenbarger encouraged our traders to adapt a daily report card, DRC, in 2017 for our guys to progress. He and I would review the work and the goals of traders in this DRC and provide daily feedback. You can learn more about how we do this by going to YouTube and typing in daily report card. Contemporaneously, a select few 7-figure traders from outside our firm reached out to be coached and mentored by me. I'd never formally and daily coached and mentored traders outside the firm from other firms. In hindsight, being open-minded to this additional work was my very best decision of the year. And it wasn't work at all, but rather a true growth experience, developing into pure fun and new friendships. With the purpose of expanding my trading network, learning and improving as a coach, mentor, I mentored a small number of elite traders from outside the firm, all 7-figure a year traders. They send me their daily report card and I provide feedback. All, most importantly, improved their trading significantly and saw an increase in P&L. These traders have exposed me to new ideas to help traders improve. Most importantly, they have all inspired me to be better. Working with the best at their game elevates your game. What are you going to do this year to expand your trading network to drive improvement? Keep excellent trading statistics. Dr. Steenbarger has worked closely with some of our traders at the firm to keep excellent trading stats. Now, we use TraderView at our firm. This has allowed traders to see their measured strengths and weaknesses. We've advocated this best practice since 2005, but I re-emphasize its importance because there are still too many in the trading community failing to implement this essential best practice. Are you going to be an informed and an improving professional trader this year and keep excellent trading stats? Or are you going to be something less? Improve your health and fitness for better focus. So I hired a trainer. I was a competitive athlete when I was younger, but had not learned how to work out properly since college. I wanted to learn how people train most effectively today. So I hired a trainer to show me. And after a few months, I recognized that I really enjoyed sessions with my trainer, and they were helping me improve my fitness. Also, I noticed an ability to sustain my focus for longer periods and more intensively. So I doubled down on what was working for me, the sessions, and booked 2 per week. Now, often at this time of year, at the beginning of the year, individuals set health goals for the next year. What worked for me was finding something I enjoyed, learning how to work out better, and then configuring the when, where, and how on my calendar so it became a habit. Now I'm a person who works out twice a week with my trainer and with increased focus. We're focus athletes as active traders. There's work to be done outside of trading that improves our focus while we're trading. Who will you be by the end of this year? Challenge yourself to be better for surprising results. I fasted and saw results I didn't think were realistic. Steve Spencer, my partner at SMB Capital, convinced me to try an intermittent fast to increase longevity. We did this program, Prolon. I lost 14 pounds without trying. The fast, more importantly, taught me that I didn't need to eat as much as I was and helped me to swap out some sugar I was eating for dessert for healthier substitutes. And Steve and I have scheduled our next fast together for this year. Push yourself outside of your comfort zone this year to experience a new you. Invest in yourself. I invested in myself. I went to Tony Robbins's UPW. I took away helpful strategies that have improved my performance. The best was swapping my daily habit, perhaps my daily bad habit, of listening to political talk radio walking to and from work for books on Audible. I'm now on track to digest 25 more books a year. Also, I hired a performance management coach. During this training, I mapped out what was most important to me to focus on at work and life and added one powerful technique that anchors my day's performance. This keeps me laser focused on what is truly important for my goals. Each morning I complete a to-do list and use this to shape my day and keep the focus on my most important goals. Further, as I mentioned, I hired a trainer. I'm more educated and fitter in terms of health and fitness. Moreover, I continue to work with a health coach and track my daily progress. What could you invest in for yourself this year to help you achieve your goals? When, where, and how will you do the work necessary to improve? So we set goals for our traders with Edge, developed a process to achieve them, and we hit them. We outperformed as a trading desk in 2017 and set a goal to produce 30% more this year. We hit our performance goals by September. The key was mapping out a process that would lead to these results and calendaring the execution of this process. Determining the when, where, and how you will turn an effective best practices into habit dramatically increases the likelihood that you're going to develop a good habit. Our top traders trade with enormous edge, so this goal setting only worked because they have it. Goals and process alone and without trading edge aren't going to help traders achieve success. Think about checking out Atomic Habits by James Clear for techniques to help you develop good books. Really good book, really helpful. This year will be the result, how you do this year, will be the result of effective best practices turned into habit that compound. Our guest lecture series at the firm. So Brian Shannon came in and taught, anchored VWAP. Todd Harrison came in to talk about the cannabis sector. Andrew Left came in to talk about short selling. They all visited to provide continuing education for our traders. At the start of this year, we're going to continue this tradition with Ben Axler from Spruce Point Capital. He made a great call on XPO last year. We're grateful for one of our developing traders for jump-starting this project. But my question to you is, what are you going to do this year to continue your trading education? Partner with experts. We partnered with marketing experts for SME training. I bring this up because One of the ideas developed from this partnership was to expand our YouTube channel. You might notice Steve and I are producing higher quality videos on this platform. We're sharing specific trades that we're making on the desk in detail, from which the trading community can learn. We're also producing more videos from our traders and giving you a sneak peek into our firm. You know what you know. What you do not know, an expert does, and that may be thwarting your potential to progress. Experts can help you find that next level in your trading or in your life. Those are some good ideas for you to be thinking about for this year. We truly hope that you accomplish all the goals that you've set for this year. Hey, go ahead and click our subscribe button so you don't miss any of the trading videos that we're producing for the trading community. And please add your feedback in the comment section for what videos you'd like for us to produce next and what you found helpful from this video. From all of us at SMB, train and trade well.